Welcome to Court Q&A. I'm Cabarrus County District Court Judge Marty McGee, and today's program will focus on administrative traffic court. Our guest is Roxanne Vanakoven, Cabarrus County's District Attorney. Welcome to the program.
Thank you for having me.
What is administrative traffic court?
Administrative traffic court is a court we have the first and third Friday of every month where minor traffic violations like speeding tickets, registration, and inspection violations are heard.
Is everyone charged with a traffic ticket required to go to court?
No. In fact, someone could hire an attorney to come to court on their behalf. If they'd like to pay their ticket off, they can do so online, through the clerk's office, or payment by mail.
If someone chooses to represent themselves in court, where is the Cabarrus County Courthouse located?
It's located in downtown Concord at 77 South Union Street.
Is parking a problem?
Parking is limited, but there is public parking off of Corbin Ave, Spring Street, as well as Church Street surrounding the courthouse.
How many cases are typically scheduled in an administrative traffic court?
We typically have anywhere from 1,400 to 1,800 cases on those traffic court dates. The good news is that it's an efficient court, and typically the general public is out of there before 10:30 that morning.
I know everyone that comes in the courthouse has to pass through security. Is there anything that someone should know about that process?
Yes, no weapons of any sort are allowed in the courthouse, so things such as pocket knives need to be left behind. In addition to that, everyone is required to take their belt off. Cell phones need to be turned off before people enter the courtroom, and small children are probably not appropriate to bring to court with you.
Thank you. Once folks pass through security, where should they go?
They can either take the stairs or the elevator up to the second floor, and when they get to the second floor, there's a lobby where they will sign in. It's very important that people write legibly when they sign in, and there are separate sign-in sheets by last name according to the alphabet, so it's important they sign in on the right sheet.
Thank you. What happens next?
After the person has signed in, they will go into courtroom number 1 and have a seat until one of the assistant district attorneys or myself calls them forward. At that time, we will discuss their case with them in hopes to resolve it that day and then direct them where to go next.
I know that lots of folks bring their driving records. That is sometimes important, and those are available through some commercial sites as well as through North Carolina DOT. Can an assistant DA or you give legal advice to someone charged with a traffic offense?
No, the rules of professional conduct prohibit us from giving legal advice, so questions such as how might this affect their insurance or driver's license points, we are not allowed to give them advice regarding.
After folks meet with an assistant DA, what happens next?
They're directed to the courtroom where the judge is presiding. They are to have a seat in that courtroom, and then their case will be called up in front of the judge, at which time they'll either be given a new court date if they need a continuance, or they'll be entering their plea of guilty in front of the judge.
If a plea is entered, when is the money due?
The money is due the same day before 5 o'clock. The cashier's office will take cash, certified check, or money order.
And it's located on the first floor?
It is.
Thank you. Thank you, Roxanne, for explaining administrative traffic court to our viewers. There are over 50,000 cases filed each year in Cabarrus County District Court. Administrative traffic court allows us to reduce overcrowding in our criminal courtrooms, as well as give folks an efficient way to resolve their traffic offense. Of course, the result in a traffic case can affect the cost of someone's insurance as well as even their ability to drive. So since assistant DAs cannot offer legal advice, if you have questions about that, you may want to consult with an attorney. Thank you for joining us for this program, and thank you to Cabarrus County's Channel 22 for airing it. If you'd like to see this program, you can turn to Cabarrus County's website, or it is available on YouTube. Thank you.